Hi, this is Lauren from Nexlom. I'm here today to walk you through the unboxing of the Auto T4. If you have purchased an operating computer, the software will be pre-installed. If not, check out our other video on installing the software before proceeding. Let's go ahead and do a quick review. As you can see, the T4 comes with a USB cable as well as a power supply. Once you have unpacked your instrument and have the laptop computer set up, you can go ahead and plug the USB cord from the instrument into the computer and power the instrument on. You'll notice that it's powered on when there's a bright white light on the front of the instrument. You can go ahead and start up your software, and let's enter the serial number located on the back of the instrument.